are headed to a buddy of mine's house. He does land management and kind of oversees the ranch over here. And it's like an 85,000 acre ranch right down the street. No one's really allowed on it. There's a lot of canyons and rocks, and it's a real cool area. It's gonna be fun on the horses. Real rough terrain. Like that's what we're doing today. We're going to play on horses, and we got the buggies. He has 90 miles of road and trails out there, so figure I'll see how badass these roads and trails are.
Fucking horse is out of control, bro.
No, we'll just loosen it. We'll take it off over there. We'll just loosen it up.